Promoted, pero walang salary increase. Congrats daw, sabi ng HR, promoted ka na sa bagong stress levels. Pero yung sweldo mo, parang ninja, missing in action. Here's the situation. Binigyan ka ng bagong title. Senior this, lead that, supervisor this, manager that, or kung anumang social na tawag. Pero yung salary mo, same. Napag-iwanan, ni 5, walang increase. Instead, dumami lang ang trabaho mo at yung stress level mo. Ang ending, ikaw naging go-to ng lahat ng mga problema, pero ang ATM mo, steady lang siya. Ang tawag dyan, mga kapwa ko empleyado, it's promotion ng trabaho, pero demotivation ng motivation. Sino ba naman na hindi madidemotivate sa ganyang situation? But, legally speaking, wala namang batas na nagsabing required na may salary increase ang promotion. But if you are the employer, or kung ikaw yung HR, and you want to keep your talent, konting respect and sensitivity, di ba? Promotion dapat should include increase in salary and compensation. So, if you find yourself in this situation, ito ang pwede nyong gawin. There are 3 things. Unang-una, clarify bago mag-yes. You need to check with your HR or with your bosses. What are the things that's included in the promotion? May benefits, additional benefits ba to? May salary adjustment? 2, the second thing that you can do is you can negotiate politely naman. Hindi to market, pero pwedeng hiritan ng discount sa workload kung wala siyang salary increase. Or kung ayaw nilang i-adjust yung workload, then you can negotiate additional benefits. And then third, know your worth. Kapag wala pa ring linaw, baka oras na para maghanap ng bagong employer na may tamang EQ or economic quotient, yung kaya kang bayaran. So, dear fellow HR, employers, if you want leaders, then pay them like leaders. Otherwise, don't be surprised kung yung pinromote nyo ay mag-resign at sa ibang company mapunta, mga company na who would value them and pay for them. Tandaan, ang promotion ay hindi lang title. Dapat may kasamang respeto at compensation. Kasi ang thank you, hindi pambayad ng Meralco. Kontrabidang HR, signing out.